Looking for the best vehicle for your courier business? Wondering where to start your search? The right vehicle can make all the difference in a courier service. It's more than just wheels on the road, it's your business partner, your workhorse. This video will guide you through the process of researching, comparison shopping, and negotiating for the best vehicle deal, be it a car, a minivan, or a cargo van. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. Stay tuned as we guide you through the process to find the best vehicle for your business. The first step in finding the right vehicle for your courier business is research. Every business is unique, and understanding your specific needs is crucial to finding the perfect vehicle. Perhaps your business requires ample cargo space, or maybe fuel efficiency is your top priority. And let's not forget about maintenance cost. A bargain today could turn into a money pit tomorrow. It's important to consider all types of vehicles. Cars, minivans, and cargo vans each come with their own sets of advantages. Your research should also cover a wide range of sources. Private sellers and car dealerships can offer great deals, but you might also find hidden gems on government seizure and surplus websites. Online auctions are another great place to look, with a vast array of commercial vehicles up for grabs. Once you've done your research, you can move on to the next step: comparison shopping. Now that you've done your research, it's time to shop around. In the quest for that perfect vehicle for your courier transportation business, comparison shopping is an absolute must. The beauty of comparison shopping is that it gives you a broader perspective, allowing you to weigh different options and ultimately land the best deal. So where do you begin? For commercial vehicles, there are some specific auto auction websites you might want to check out. Sites like GovPlanet, Ritchie Brothers, and Iron Planet are great places to start. They provide a wide range of options, from cars to minivans and cargo vans, all at competitive prices. But let's not stop there. Consider private sellers, car dealerships, online auctions, and even US government seizure and surplus websites. Each source has its merits. Private sellers, for example, can often offer lower prices and a more personal buying experience. Dealerships, on the other hand, might provide warranties and a more extensive selection. Online auctions can be a goldmine of deals, while government websites offer a unique opportunity to buy seized or surplus vehicles at a fraction of their value. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Each source also has its drawbacks. With private sellers, there might be hidden mechanical issues. Dealerships can be pricier, and online auctions can be unpredictable. But don't let these deter you. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the more prepared you'll be to navigate these waters and make an informed decision. After comparing different options, it's time to negotiate. Negotiation is a key part of getting the best deal on your vehicle. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty of negotiation, which truly is an art form. First off, being prepared is your most potent tool. Know the market value of the vehicle you're interested in, and don't be afraid to walk away if the price isn't right. When dealing with private sellers, remember they're usually trying to get rid of the vehicle as fast as possible. Use this to your advantage. Start by offering a price slightly lower than what you're willing to pay. Be polite but firm. Show them you've done your homework and you're a serious buyer. Dealerships, on the other hand, are a different ball game. They're professionals. They negotiate every day. But don't be intimidated. Remember, they need to sell cars to stay in business. Don't accept the sticker price. Instead, negotiate based on the invoice price, which is what the dealer paid for the vehicle. Now, onto government websites. These include US government seizure and surplus websites. They often have a fixed starting price, but don't let that deter you. You can still negotiate, start low and work your way up. Remember, these vehicles are often sold as is, so factor in any potential repair costs into your bid. Online auctions can be a bit tricky. Websites like eBay Motors, Auto Auction Mall, and Copart offer a variety of vehicles. Here, timing is everything. Be patient, wait for the right moment, and place your bid. Just remember to set a maximum price you're willing to pay and stick to it. Finally, always keep your budget in mind throughout the negotiation process. If the deal doesn't fit your budget, it's not the right deal for you. And voila, you're now armed with negotiation strategies for different types of sellers. Just remember, every negotiation is unique, so be prepared to adapt and change your tactics as needed. With thorough research, comparison shopping, and effective negotiation, you can find the best vehicle for your courier business. Finding the right vehicle for your courier business doesn't have to be daunting. Remember, researching is key, comparison shopping is your power, and negotiating your secret weapon. With these tips, you're now equipped to start your search for the perfect vehicle for your courier business. Good luck!